Have you guys been to the Writer's Block coffee shop? It's located near Fremont. It has tons of books and all these cute things you can buy. It has salt and pepper shakers, tote bags, little figures, birdhouses, cuckoo clocks, and of course, lots of books. The books are divided out by genre. They have really good coffee, muffins,
Please do not touch
and
the
tea.
bear. It's upside down. Do not touch
And they
his
even
cake.
have a little bunny. So cute.